Good morning, everyone. Hi, Alec. Hi. Kakulay ng hair ko yung ano mo. And it's our checkout day. We stayed 2 nights in this hotel. That's why we have a bit more rest. Nakapaglaban ng damit. Kaso yung ibang damit hindi natuyo. And then, dahil hindi siya natuyo, nasan yung mga damit? Tara! Isinumpay sa likod ng sasakyan. Kasi nga yung iba hindi natuyo. Grabe. And we're going today. I'm so excited. Alex, where are we going?
To a castle that
Northumbria.
Wanted to go it's her dream. It's like her biggest dream in the world. You can't believe it.
Bakit? Bakit? So, yun na nga. Pupunta kami sa Northumbria in Bebbanburg Castle. Oh, basta ganun yun nga, guys. And I'm so excited kasi I'm a fanatic of The Last Kingdom. The one I'm telling you guys. The Last Kingdom, it's an English series. It's about war, something ganon. So, I'm very fanatic of that.
Cute, guys.
Kung nagkaanak nga kami ng lalaki, ang ipapangalan ko, Uhtred. Diba, Alec? Uhtred, yes.
Yeah.
If we get the baby boy, we gonna call Uhtred. The son of Uhtred. It's nice. Ayun na nga, guys. So, let's see kung ano itsura ng castle. Pero kahit ano pa itsura niya, magiging happy ako kasi nasa bucket list ko yun. What's the name of the castle? Mambro, something like that. Bambo. O, ganun. So, we have a full rest kasi nagstay kami ng 2 nights and today is Friday here. Albert is not working for today's video kasi magdadrive kami pabiyahe. So, we'll see you later, guys. See you later, guys.
See you later, guys. Look at all of this. Oh my
Ay, naku, kinuha niya yung mga grabe siya.
It's free.
Got this brochure. I didn't even know. Bamburgh Castle. The real Last Kingdom of Bebbanburg. So, ito yung pinag-shootingan nila ng Last Kingdom. That's because yung Last Kingdom, if you're gonna watch, it's based in true story. Pero syempre may dagdag na yung mga ano-ano. But, it's a very nice English series. You will see yung mga ano nila doon about mga kaugalian. Tapos ito nga yung castle. So dito kami pupunta. Why you didn't tell me you have this? Baka. So see, that's the one. It's near the ocean. And I'm so excited to see this castle. I don't mind to see it only even from outside. Kung hindi kami makakapasok. Gusto ko lang makita yung lugar. Alam mo yun? Kasi once you're fanatic with something like some movie or some series and then it's based in nangyari before the old century, kumbaga totoong nangyari before, is not only tawag ito, yung hula-hula. Alam mo yung gusto mong makita, yung curious ka kung saan yun. Ito na nga. Ay nako, Alec, she did not tell me you see this one. Says today at Britain's greatest coastal castle. It's a coastal castle, yes.
You didn't act like this.
I didn't know because she took all this one show. She took all this leaflet for mga mapupuntahan sa Northumbria. Hindi ko alam na meron pala siyang nakuwang ganito. So, you know, I was watching this The Last Kingdom. Ay guys, alam mo ba? I watched that series for like 3 times. It's so nice.
Wait.
It's also mentioned pala here, see, they have the tour Uhtred of Bebbanburg tours.
How much is it?
But I don't know. And then it's mentioned here also like discover fantastical tales of the Last Kingdom. That's the one I'm watching. Vikings, I watched that one as well. Knights and the Dragons, I think I watched it once. But yes, so yeah, it's so nice. They have also something like for the kids.
What is Warrior School? See that?
Warrior School, but it's nice, you know, like when you see this castle in the movie, it's like wow. But in Last Kingdom, he always mentioned this one. Kingdom of Bebbanburg. Yan yung castle ni Uhtred. And Uhtred is a real person daw, sabi nila. Pero no one knows how he died really. Kasi sa Last Kingdom hindi naman nila pinakita talaga how he died. No one knows how he died. We're here! The castle of Bebbanburg.
Oh my gosh, the road here, guys! It's just
so nice. Do you know this castle? It's been there for
ages.
948. Year 948. Parang ganon. It's very old and nice. And this is where Uhtred, the elder man, has been living here for ages, sabi nila. Yung castle. Yun.
Why wouldn't
So, Elderman Uhtred, from the year 1006 until year 1016 siya buhay. So, dyan siya nakatira doon sa castle na yan. Pero doon sa movie, may umagaw ng castle sa kanya, yung uncle niya. And then in the end, napunta rin sa kanya yung castle niya, yung Castle of Bebbanburg. Ayun na ang hirap kasi sabihin, guys. But I'm so happy to see it! I cannot believe that I'm seeing the castle. This is it's in one of my bucket list. Tapos, ayun yung water. You can see it from there. Meron isang island. And ang part of it is so beautiful here. You can go down. Actually, there's some people just going down, walk on that area. And it's chilly. Malamig dito. So, Castle of Bebbanburg. So, kaya natutulog si Uhtred here. Ang laki ng castle. I know that is the elder man in Northumbria. I watch him. Ito namin sa castle. I'm so excited.
Pile of rocks.
No, it's like the Stonehenge, it's pile of rocks, right? Can you take? Nandito kami sa taas na. Grabe. So imagine at that century, kasi may war, so they swim in this ocean. Ay, ang lamig ng tubig. Tapos, meron doon isang island. I don't know what's that. Actually, there's two. Siguro low tide kasi nakikita mo siya, oh. So, yeah. Ang ganda ng lugar, guys.
Oh, may panorama.
Look at that. Nilagay nila. You can even read it. This castle is 3,000 years. Tama? Albert? Diba? I want to see this. Viking is 954. Bebbanburg, bro. Asian lands. Yan ang view ng castle, oh. Ang laki niya, actually. Hindi na kami nag-enter sa loob kasi ang mahal ng entrance. Sayang. Si Ali gusto sana. Pinamili ko siya. Either papasok kami sa castle or mag-ikot kami sa village. So, mas gusto niya mag-ikot sa village. It's a very nice village. Maliit siya. May nagkakait dun sa baba, oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Nasa labas pa rin kami ng castle sa kabilang side. So, you can see that I don't know, it shows in the video. Yun yung plug nila dito. There's a canyon. I think kumbaga, iba na rin nagawa na ng iba kasi yung mga tulad ng mga windows, yung may mga salamin na. Nung araw wala namang ganong windows, di ba? Nung panahon ng year 1006. And yeah, I'm so happy na nakita ko to. Only in the movie I can see it. Bata, gutom na naman. Lagi ka na lang gutom.
dami yung blackberry, oh.
The what?
Blackberry.
A blackberry. Oh yeah, dami nga, oh.
Remember you used to have a blackberry?
Yeah. So they have a canyon here for during the war, yung mga canyon. Ha?
Not canyon.
Yeah, canyon. In Filipino, we call it canyon. In English, you got canyon.
Canyon is like, that's like, you know.
Pero it's nice, you know, guys. It's so beautiful in here in Northumbria.
Look at the beach. Maganda.
And the beach is so nice. The sun. Ang ganda. Malamig. It's sunny but malamig. Yeah, that's one of the door from castle. It is beautiful. Do you know, like, if you heard about like a million views, grabe, ito yung sasabihin mo na parang beautiful is not enough to say that this is beautiful or this is like amazing. It's not enough kasi sobrang ganda niya, as in. And you have that castle, and Albert is taking a blackberry. He's gonna eat it kasi maraming blackberry. Tubo dito ng blackberry, and you can just eat it like that. And then we'll walk there. Let's see. Actually, gusto kong pumasok sa castle. I would like to enter inside kasi nga nasa bucket list ko yan. But the thing is, ayaw ni Albert sa mama, hindi na raw siya sasama kasi nga parang hindi na siya magpabayad. It's fine for him naman na hindi niya makita kasi ako yung may gusto magpunta rito, and si Alec din gusto niya makita. Kaso we're gonna pay like 30 pounds kami yung dalawa lang, tapos hindi na makasama si Albert, so hindi na lang kasi may iwan lang siya sa labas, diba? So sabi ko, wag na. We're just gonna stay here. I'm very fine anyway to see the castle from outside.
Guys, Mommy will give me a toy, so that's also okay.
Dog. And 30 pounds.
Please, be happy naman.
Yung 30 pounds na yon, we can eat some nice food. Some at least the most important is nakita ko siya. And you can see that flag. Ayan yung flag nila. That's the flag of England. But what's the other flag?
Which other flag?
Diba there's one official flag? This one, they use it in Scotland.
England.
Okay. So yan. So,
Asan yung tag?
bucket list is done. And the ocean is so nice. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang puti ng sun. First time ko nakakita ng ganitong beach na ang puti ng sun. And I think until there, mababaw lang siya, it's shallow, it's not deep. Look there in the end, but it's still very shallow. At saka sobrang puti ng sand. Meron yung tent. It's so nice and beautiful. Ang ganda, guys, promise. I think this is one of my favorite place. Kasi before I liked Luxembourg, but now Northumbria is above than Luxembourg. Syempre, Netherlands. What about you, Alec? Do you like the place? Yeah, that's a dead end.
Later we can drive.
So yung bata to si oh God, hindi ako nagsasawa siya tignan. I just want to sit here, drink my English cider, have some pika-pika, and voila, so nice to relax. Ang ganda. Ayun bata, sayo-sayo. Pabalik na kami, pabalik. And the good thing here is it's yung parking whole day, so we can leave the car, walk down to the village, pababa ng mountain, Kaso si Alec nakachinelas. Ay, naku, bata to. Ayaw magsapatos. Ewan ko kung bakit. Pinili ko siya ng sapatos. Yung sneakers para sa paglalakad. Kasi dito, syempre pag ganito, more on walking, dapat ang suot mo yung comfy rubber shoes for running, something like that. Ayun. Tapos, pinicturean ako ni Albert. Tino, maayos yung pagka-picture. Apaka. Meron pa silang ganun, oh. Coach turning ball. Grabe, ang laki ng castle. I cannot believe it. This is huge. It's massive. Kasi sa movie, hindi naman siya nakikita na hindi mo maano na ganun siya kalaki. Then you just see it like, wow. Pero yun nga, syempre yung mga bintana na yan, modern na yan. Pinalitan na. Anyway guys, later, let's see the village. The village, alam mo nung papunta kami rito, yung scenery, grabe, ang ganda. Para kang totally different from the other part of UK. This place is amazing. Malakas ng hangin. Pababa kami from the castle. Iniwanan namin kotse. So, medyo steep yung pababa. And mahangin. Naman kami sa kabilang side. Nakababa na kami from doon. Pataas siya. So, castle sitting in the rock. Nandito na kami sa baba. Lalakad kami papuntang village. Hahanap ng kakainan kasi nalibang ako. 1 PM na pala. Kaya pala nagugutom na si Alec ko. Pero the good thing is we always have something, bread, croissant, ganun sa bag. So kumain muna siya ng tinapay. And then now we'll try to find something to eat. Somewhere to eat.
A few moments later.
Yung tahong ang dami and pusit. Yeah. Alec fish and
A few moments later.
Finished the lunch and we're here in the other side. Oh, this is church. Parish Church of Barnborough. Ganda. Ha?
You can go inside.
Ano rin siya, church and war grave. So yung mga nakalibing dito, yung mga nasa war before kasi meron din sila sa likod. Tinitingnan ko yung mga grave. Nakita mo 1883. Same as parang Netherlands. Talagang ano na siya, yung panahon ng sobrang luman-luma pa. 29 years old. Grabe, ang bata naman yung mga namatay. Dito 1778. 36 years old. Yung iba hindi mo na mabasa kasi it's too old. And yeah. It's a nice church. Para siyang castle. And look at the tree. Ang ganda ng lugar. So papanik ulit kami dun sa taas. Nagrereklamo na yung dalawang mag-ama kasi paakyat siya. So yung kinain namin wala. Tunaw, gutom ulit mamaya. Maaraw, masikat yung araw pero malamig kasi nandito to sa kami sa hingal. Ayun na nga. Hinihingal ako. Careful, go in the side. Walk. Sa taas na kami. Ayun na, oh. Kita nyo. Pero yun. Ang tirik ng araw pero malamig. Ay. Hindi pa rin ako makatubo. Or hindi ako makapaniwala pa din na I just saw this castle. Nakita ko siya and napasok ko siya. Not lang loob-loob pero natupad yung bucket list ko. Grabe guys, so look at this castle. Ang so ganda. I'm so in love with this castle. Ang laki-laki. Promise. Worth it na pumunta at mag-drive at mag-spend ng time dito. Promise.